Kung nasa networking ka, tigilan mo na to. Madami sa mga networking hanggang sa ngayon, magyayaya ka ng someone, yayayain mo silang lumabas at ini-expect mo na hindi nila malalaman na may i-represent ka sa kanila. Mas matalino at wais na yung mga tao ngayon. That's why if you are in networking or multi-level marketing, you should do this. If you want to close more people, then you have to make sure that you let your intentions be known. Umpisa pa lang, if you're going to invite someone to go out, then make sure that that person somehow is a little bit interested already. Bigyan kita ng halimbawa, pwede kang mag-post. Sino dito ang open na matuto ng extra opportunity on how you can earn money? At pag may nag-comment sa'yo, go ahead and message them. That's when you can actually tell them, by the way, just to let you know, I'm part of a multi-level marketing company. May mga produkto kaming binibenta. If magustuhan mo siya at sa tingin mong gagana din sa'yo itong sistema na to, then I would love to help you out. And by the way, kung gusto mong hindi ganun mahirapan, then might I suggest, i-meet mo na sila kahit via Zoom. That way, you are saving time, saving energy, saving money, and you will eventually filter people out. The Josh, baka konti na yung lumapit sa amin. Well, malamang sa malamang kasi hindi ka na nagsisinungaling at hindi ka na nagkukunwari na wala ka namang binibenta. You're going to attract people that you actually need. Kaya naman,